Rather than shutting off the water to the entire house, wouldn't it be nice if you could shut off each room as needed? So as you can see here, we have our PEX hot and cold system running throughout the house. And what we've gone through and done is we've pretty much isolated every room in the house coming off this chunk and branch system. Because this is PEX, we went ahead and upsized a lot of things for longer runs with 3/4 until we get closer to the actual fixtures that we have, and then drop back down to nominal half. But we like to do this because we do a lot of full home remodels or multi-room remodels where we need water still on in the house. We can't shut the entire house off for too terribly long, but we want to have a bathroom off. This allows us to come down, shut off just the bathroom, and not affect any other part of the house for the homeowner. Here's a pro tip for when you're installing your shut-off valve. We want to write exactly what this is for. So we're going to show you how to get rid of this, and then you can make a nice clean label. You're going to get some clear cleaner. This is your best friend. So you're just going to take the dauber and do some fun magic. Then you have a clean surface to write. Give it a couple seconds.